Hi guys, today is my birthday. I won't say what date we are, but it is somewhere in November and I am officially 29, which is a scary number for me. I just don't think I look 29. I don't know what 29 looks like, but with my baby face it's a bit difficult to notice, but it's fine. I look young, I am healthy, I am alive. That's the most important thing I think for now. I'm not gonna do something special today just because I didn't really know how I wanted to spend my birthday, and there's like new restrictions now in the Netherlands, so it kind of sucks and you're pretty limited with what you can do. Today I am going to do a photo shoot with one of my colleagues. We did a test photo shoot a couple of weeks ago and it turns out we really work well together, so we're gonna try to do like another concept today. So I'm really happy. I just have 1 hour to get ready, and here on the floor I have my gifts. And what I can do is I can show you what I got. I have a few more coming this week, so it will be filmed in 2 parts, I think. This bag here is pretty interesting. Yeah, yes, but I swear it's something practical. I just had to be extra, but yeah, it's very interesting. That bag is very interesting too. Oh, okay. Yes, I will have to get ready, take my stuff, put that in a little suitcase, and then go to my friend's house for pictures and get ready over there. So I will do that very quickly because I'm kind of late. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys once I arrive there. Okay, I am in the building. Oh. All right, I'm in the building, going to the 2nd floor. Yeah, the 2nd floor, and the shoot will begin soon. Hey guys, so I am changing right now. Can't really show you the complete outfit because it's see-through. Okay, so we just finished a couple of photos. We're gonna do another set of photos on the bed. So the whole point of that is just, you know, for me to be able to express my feminine and sensual side. It's something that I always wanted to show, and I love photos and everything, so I'm so happy that I was able to find a photographer who is able to capture those feelings and expressions. So it's amazing, and I think it's the best way that I can spend my 29th birthday. Okay, one leg done. This is something that I never think of doing. I should have done this before, but I never obviously think about that. I hate shaving so much. Oh yes, that's nice. Oh yes. Hi guys, I am filming this a couple of weeks after my birthday, and I am gonna show you what I got for my birthday. Please don't think I am bragging. I am not bragging at all. It makes me feel good just to share the little things I received. I received some cute stuff from my friends and I didn't expect that at all. I just want to say that I was so happy to have spent my birthday doing what I love the most, doing photos, feeling creative, feeling beautiful, feeling sexy. And I feel like the month of November was just a very good month. I had so much fun. I met a lot of people, and I don't know, I just got inspired for so many projects, and I couldn't be happier. I was panicking a little bit because it's the first time that I celebrate my birthday abroad, away from all my friends and family, but turns out everything was fine. Without further ado, let's get into what I received for my birthday. The first item, I am wearing it right now. It's my Apple Watch. If you guys know, on Instagram or on YouTube, I keep talking about the Apple Watch all the time. I've been wanting one since the first time it came out, so that was a long time ago. And my friend Yanatori helped me get the Apple Watch. I was about to buy it in December. It was supposed to be my Christmas gift, but she decided to help me out a little bit and buy it with me on my birthday. So thank you so much. I love this watch so much. I don't know how I lived without it. It has everything that I need. I just, a flick of the wrist. And it's fun. And yeah, so the day before my birthday, she's like, I want to help you buy the Apple Watch. And we just went to the Apple store, bought it, and it came into this packaging. And yeah, so I got the Apple Watch SE gold aluminum and the 40 millimeters case in gold. It's really cool. It says gold, but it looks like a rose gold. But and then it comes with the brand new band. I think it's called the loop. So you just like remove it and put it in just like a bracelet. So it's really easy and I love it. So the next one, I kind of spoil myself a little bit. It's something practical, but yes, it's a Saint Laurent bag. But I promise you it's not something stupid. It's something very useful. I just wanted to be extra a little bit, and turns out it was super affordable. So I recorded an unboxing when I received it because I was so excited. So I'm just gonna insert a clip right now. They gave a shopping bag. That's cool. So I have a shopping bag and oh, my little note. Happy 29th birthday, Gigi. Oh, from me to me. How cute. I wish it was, PR, but yeah, no. It's my own gift to myself. You can select the kind of packaging that you want. I said that it was a gift, and then you can write a message, and it comes with a card. This is the receipt. Yeah, this is the receipt, so I don't need to show you guys. And oh my god, it looks like a shoe box. I wish it was a pair of shoes. It's not shoes. This gift is very practical. So here it is. Look at the little. So here it is. My coffee mug. Oh my god. It is heavy. So this is porcelain, is it? Ceramic or porcelain? I have no idea how to say that. Oh, and this is, yeah, this is like rubber-ish. This is very beautiful. And that was so not expensive. So not expensive. It's so affordable. I feel like I want to get the other colors. There's a leopard version. I feel like I want the leopard version one. And I'm surprised that I went for the stars. I'm really surprised about that. But I'm not sure how I feel about the rubber lid, to be honest. It's black inside. And that's it. So this is what I got. I'm actually using it right now. It's kind of like my everyday cup. I was supposed to use it at the office, but since the new COVID restrictions and COVID restrictions came back, and we need to work at home more often, but it's like my everyday cup, and I think it's pretty cute. And yeah, that's a good affordable extra extra birthday gift. But I love it, super affordable. And by the way, all the things will be linked down below, or like the full name of the product if ever you're interested in. buying some of the stuff that I have. So yeah, this is it. I received some cute gift from my best friends back in Montreal. I did not expect that. It made my day. Thank you so much, Alex and Pat. Salut. I received, okay, now it doesn't look as cute as when I received it, so I'm just gonna insert a clip of what it looked like when I received it. But basically it's just a beautiful, like, you know, Ferrero Rocher and like Kinder chocolate, and it came with a little message. You're gonna see it on the video. So that was really cute. And then I received another package which was even cuter. I can't believe it. I received this personalized box that says GyGy, and it's just super cute. And you open it up and you have this personalized message, and you have some cute stuff inside. It's like so cute. I have a little body, not body, but yeah, it's a hand and body lotion. It's super cute. I got a candle. I had a candle with my name on it. Super cute. I already burned it last night. I love candles, so that was fun. Little chocolate. More chocolate. It's cute. And then a mirror with, again, my name on it. It's really cute. I was actually looking for a new pocket mirror. Good timing. Thank you for that. And it came with a little personalized pouch. I'm going to Paris this weekend, so this is gonna come in handy. And that's it. Like, it's so cute. It's so adorable. When I saw that, I was so emotional. I was just like, I can't believe you guys like send me a gift. I really appreciate that, and thank you again to my friends. Much love. Thank you for thinking about me, and that made my day. I received another cute gift. I didn't expect this from my friend Justina. Thank you so much, Justina. She gave me just a little pouch with like skincare, you know, like little facial mask. And I needed that because my skin since I arrived here has been breaking out like crazy. Like, I really don't know what's happening, and the products that I use currently are just not working, so I need new products, I guess. And I have a cute little nail polish. I always like a good sparkle, so I'm really happy about that. That was a really cute little you know, just like self-care gift to receive. And the pouch is so beautiful. Look at that, so beautiful. So thank you, Justina. And another one, another little gift that I give to myself, Zara. I bought it for my birthday gift. It came in this little box. Can you guess what that is? It was a really trendy item on Instagram, and when I saw it, I just went on the app. I saw that it was coming soon, so I just put my email to get notified for when it comes in stock. One time I received an email in the middle of the night saying that it was back in stock. I just placed my order and I received it just in time for my birthday. And this is it. Very extra top. Look at that sparkle, guys. this is very cute. This is very cute. I don't know where and when I'm gonna wear this, but I mean, this is super extra, and I think that's something you should have in your closet. This is the back, so it just like, you just have one little thingy to like hold it together, and it's just really sexy and fun. Yeah, I think that's a piece that everyone should have in their closet. You know, for New Year's, that could be super fun outfits if it's your birthday, and summer for a night out. So that's it for this little vlog and videos and what I got for my birthday. Thank you so much for you guys that are still watching my videos. Again, I do this for fun, and it makes me happy just to share a little glimpse of my life. Don't be shy to put a comment below of some video ideas that you might have that you would like me to do. Please subscribe. I always have content for YouTube, and you can always find me on Instagram. I put my username right here. I'm active, super active on Instagram. I share a little bit about what's going on in my daily life. So please, you can follow me there and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you so much, guys, for watching and for your comments and your kind message. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.